Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cooked, cold rice, 2 to 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and your favorite vegetables like peas or carrots. Having your rice cold and day-old is key for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Chop your veggies into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Next, we'll prepare our eggs. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs in a small bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your wok or a large pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour in the whisked eggs. Scramble them quickly, breaking them into small pieces until they are just set but still slightly moist. Remove the cooked eggs from the pan and set them aside for later. Now let's build the base of our egg rice. Add another tablespoon of oil to the same hot pan. Toss in your chopped vegetables, like diced carrots or peas, and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add your 3 cups of cold rice to the pan. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice is evenly distributed and heated through. This step is crucial for a fluffy result. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our delicious egg rice. Return the scrambled eggs to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and for an extra layer of flavor, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir-fry everything together for another 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and thoroughly heated. Serve your freshly made egg rice immediately and enjoy this quick, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.